You
You don't understand.
New York, I be working.
You don't want to push me down to jump over me skilly.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Big up New York. I love New York.
Brother, that man.
Yeah, man. I'm going to take a picture of the chair with food out there.
Alright, you want a photo? Chance.
Is there you're going to take a picture or something?
On the music.
Gaza.
Chance.
So what food for the channel?
Is that a video or a picture? No.
Yes. Your nation people. No joking not about you. Right now, a history Skillibeng set. No joking. Yeah man. A history Skillibeng set last night at Irving Plaza. Gaza Nation. The whole of Irving Plaza shell out. What me say? It left shellless. You see what I say? Yeah man. When I left Irving Plaza, Gaza Nation, a BF fog. Bang bang left the city smoky. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not there about it, nation people. And you don't know. Big up yourself, Skillibeng. Anyway at all there, my general. You hear that? And here we go on. Big up unruly Bruce. Straight, no lollipop thing not there night. Here we. Big up Free Reggae. You see what I say? Big up Coffee Tea. Big up Gaza Uncle. Big up Gaza Diva. And big up the agony boss himself, Grey, with the superstar subscriber. You don't know that I don't know gimmicks thing. You don't know the thing go already. A 10 star I represent. But make we step first, nation people. Because you don't know where a concrete step on. So, if we have step anywhere boy and it's shaky, you don't already know what going to go on already. You don't know what thing about broke off. Clean. No gimmicks thing not there about it. But wait, look on the man. At the world, it's not a plan. So what's going on now? Carefully in the nation people. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for represent, you know. You don't know a full effect thing. You don't know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Oh fuck nation people. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo. A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me now nation people. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It couldn't get no better than this. I say the East Side artist. The man shell out New York City. Flat. What me say? Fuck. True, no know how I go on, man. But me don't want to see it. You see what I say? Me already want the people and I tell them, you know. Say, yeah, we don't talk about England and this. No. It's a great look at England and the forward them too. But me already tell you, say, New York City, now go make nobody get away with such thing when them have the East Side artists in the city. Them are going to represent one of the most wicked and crucial way, which is no joke thing. You see what I say? The people them represent now tell them. It was a field day first night, man. The people them have, man. You know what I mean? The people them enjoy themselves to the fullest. You see what I say? And the East Side artists bang, the man give them exactly what they need, nation people. Watch me now. Well, I see bang, you know, run out, you know, nation people. I run out, you know, with the crocodile teeth, you know. And then, you know, the man draw, you know, the whop, you know. Me I say blood clot. How we bang do? Bang Bang Draw. The two biggest song them in a dance hall right now. Already? Yo, nation people. Yo. I don't know where go on or what kind of changes go on, but all I can say, it's like the people them rock on for Skillibeng music right now in a New York City because here what go on. And the whole of Irving Plaza sing every single song where the dog drop. Line for line, word for word. The people them not laugh with it, nation people. The people them go to work wicked. That's what I say. Yes, yes, yes. They sure do. Let me tell you something more. Skilly, the performance, epic. The rascal response from the crowd, brutal and crucial. Yes, what I say. And right now, to the way how I see the DJ at work, right now, it match whatever you do right now, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah, I don't know if you're easy with him or you